Is Kolkata losing its charm? Is the city of joy losing its shine? Growing up in Kolkata was an experience like no other. From the spirited debates in prestigious schools to the thrill of Born Vita quiz contests, the city was alive with intellect and energy. I did my schooling here, and the atmosphere was electric. The crowd was brilliant, witty, and engaging. But now, the landscape seems to be changing. As someone who returned to Kolkata during the pandemic, the difference is stark. Is Kolkata losing its edge? Compared to cities like Mumbai or Bangalore, Kolkata sometimes feels like a Tier 2 city. Take the average individual from Mumbai or Bangalore. Their career trajectory, personality, exposure to education, it all seems to surpass what Kolkata has to offer. The decline of Kolkata? I've spoken to many young professionals here, and their aspirations seem limited. Many are content with mediocre jobs and have no plans for personal or professional growth. But why is this happening? What has caused the decline of Kolkata in recent years? The Kolkata conundrum. It's puzzling. Kolkata has a rich educational heritage, and its people are smart and driven. But somewhere along the line, things start to falter. In the corporate world, Bengalis seem to lag behind. What's holding them back? Uncovering the truth. There's a defensive mentality, a herd mentality. Many seem content to settle for less. As we reflect on Kolkata's past glory and its uncertain future, one thing is clear. The city is at a crossroads. Will it rise once again, reclaiming its status as a cultural and economic powerhouse, or will it continue to fade into obscurity? Join the conversation. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time.